If you want to know how to create a source of passive income and earn daily starting with $0.45 up to $170, then you have opened the right video. Today I'm going to show you a tool that anyone can use to increase their income and create a source of passive income. No matter how much money you have in your pocket, it's enough to have even $10 to start, so stay until at the end to find out everything you need for this method. It's about a robot that does all the work for you. You must register on the link that I will write in the description. Registration is very simple. Here where you have to write the name, it is necessary to write a unique name, which is not repeated in this system. Then write the phone number, enter the verification code and create a password. After registering, we reach the main page where we see the robots we are talking about. They work in the following way. You invest an amount of money for a period of 30 days, and when the term ends you get back the invested amount and a small profit. Usually the profit is 45% of the invested amount. Have a little patience and we will go into the details. This site has 6 robots in total. Each robot is individual for each person who wants to make money here. Robots from 1 to 5 are valid for 30 days. What I like the most about this site and what I appreciate about it is that they think about the users, and recently they added the 6th robot, which was not there before, but they added it for people who do not trust in this platform and they are afraid to buy expensive robots, so they offered the opportunity to test how a robot works in a short term and at a low price. The duration is only 7 days and it costs only $10. Of course, the daily income is lower, only $0.14 per day, but you can only use it for the test, to make sure that the robot works. But already after you have tested, after you have ensured the safety of this robot, you can go to the next level. The next level is robot number 1. We press contract to buy to see more details. Now I will explain how payments work. This robot costs us $2. It will work for 30 days and the invested capital must be $30. After we buy this robot, we will receive $0.45 each day. The first thing you need to know is that these $30 invested, we get them back when the 30-day term expires. Those $2 will not return. This is the price of the robot. Now, in addition to the return of the investment, we will also receive those $0.45. Let's do a calculation. We multiply 0.45 by 30 days, our profit will be $13.5. It means that at the end of the 30-day period, we will receive the $30 invested and another $13.5, in total $43.5. Robot number 2. The price of this robot is $5, the necessary investment is $100, but of course our daily income is much higher than with robot number 1. Here the income is triple, $1.5 every day, for 30 days. If we do a calculation, then we find out that at the end of the month we will receive $45. $45 is almost half of the invested amount. My friends, from my experience I can tell you that investing $100 and making $145 in a month is wonderful. This is a very good tool to multiply the income. For beginners, Robot 1 and Robot 2 are the most suitable because you can make money with a small investment, but if among you there are those who want to invest more money, then choose one of the following robots. Robot number 3 requires an investment of $500 and in 30 days brings you $240 in profit. Robot number 4 requires an investment of $2,000 and generates almost $1,000 at the end of the 30-day period. Of course the most profitable is robot number 5, the most expensive robot. I agree that this robot is not affordable for many of you, but let's dream a little. If we invest $10,000, with a profit per day of $170, then in 30 days, we will have a profit of $5,100. For this money some have to work for a few months or a few years, but with this tool it is possible to make this money in a month. It's really wonderful. I definitely do not recommend borrowing money to make investments. This is the worst thing you can do. I know the temptation is great, the percentage of the investment is high, but please, never borrow money to make investments. Start with the smallest, start with the first robot, accumulate money for a few months, then from the money you earn buy another more expensive robot, and so on until you end up making as much money as possible. This is the best strategy for the tool I am showing you today. If you agree with me, put a like on this video, I will be grateful for that.